Good morning students. Let's start MS Excel. First of all, we learn about the basics of MS Excel. As you know, in the previous classes you studied about the method. How can we open the MS Excel? First method to open MS Excel is click on Start button, click on All Program option, click on MS Office and select Microsoft Excel option. Okay? And second method is, if you don't want to follow the steps, you just click on the search option which is available on the taskbar and write there Excel. As you write the Excel, the MS Excel application will be appear on the application. Uh, Let me show you. This one is taskbar. Okay, and here is the search option. You can select, type here Excel. As I type here Excel, the MS Excel application will be appear here. You can double click on it and the application will be start. This is the first appearing screen and here is the Excel blank book. Click on Excel blank book and your Excel file is created. One more option to open the MS Excel is where you want to open the Excel file. Just right click on the screen, new, select option MS Microsoft Excel. The file is created here. You can type name. Now double click on it. The file will be created. In the basics, you know that this is a taskbar. This one is the status bar. Here you can zoom in, zoom out. Like this, okay? On the top, this strip is called title bar. On the title bar, file name is Mamta is appear and the application name. Okay, on the title bar, which two things will be appear? File name and application name. Here is also buttons available. Close button, maximize minimize button, minimize button. As you click on this button, the file will be minimized and stored in the taskbar. If you want to reopen this, just click on and the file will be reopened. This method is available on 2013. Here you can auto hide the ribbon, show tabs and commands. Okay. This one is quick access toolbar. Here is save option is selected, checked, means save icon is appear here. Undo is checked, undo is appear. Redo is checked, redo is appear. If you will check new, then new icon will be appear here. Okay. What is the use of this quick access toolbar? We can easily access these buttons by single click on it. For example, here is Mamta file is open. As I click on the new button icon, the new file will be appear here, that is book 1, which is the by default name of Excel. So quick access toolbar is for the quick action. Okay. This one is the menu bar. This is ribbon, which is a collection of tools. This one is name bar. What is the name bar? As I click on the cell address is C4 will appear here. Means it indicate the address of the cell. What is the address of the cell? Just see, look here, D6, B3. As I click on the cells, the name cell address will be appear on the name address, and we can see here is always alphabet and then a numeric number. The alphabets are column headers and numbers are row numbers. So we can define cell address as combination of column header and row number. This is called cell address. Now what is the active cell? As this sheet is the combination of cells, when I click on this cell, this is called active cell. I click on this is called active cell. How can we define the active cell? Active cell defined as the cell whose boundary is highlighted by dark border. You can see here this E6 is active cell and the boundary of the active cell is highlighted by dark border. Okay. This one is active cell, this one is active cell. What is cell? Do you know what is the cell? You can see the cell is the rectangular box. Okay. Cell is a rectangular box which is made by the combination of cell is rectangular box which is made by intersection of row and column. By default, Excel file name is book1. In Excel file, we have many sheets. By default, we have 3 sheets. I closed here. If you want to more than 3 sheets, you just click on this. As you click on this, the sheets will be appear here. If you don't want these sheets, right click on the sheet and delete. Same here, right click on the sheet and delete. Okay. By follow these steps, we can delete the sheets. By default, name of the sheet is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. Now there is a question that what is workbook? Workbook is a file of Excel. Okay, this one is a workbook. Workbook is a file of Excel in which we can do work on many workbooks, or we can add many workbooks in a single we can add many worksheets in a single workbook. Okay, then what is the workbook? Workbook is the Excel file. And what is the worksheet? Worksheet the grid lines of cells. Okay, it is the grid of cells. Okay, let's take a quick review on the definitions. Cell is a rectangular box that occurs at the intersection of a vertical column and a horizontal row. Workbook is another name for your file in Excel. Worksheet. A sheet is a single page that contains its own collection of cells. Active cell. Cell is highlighted by dark boundary is called active cell. Cell address. Cell address is the combination of column header and row number. Thanks for watching.